Hey, it's Gina and Scully with WTI. Now, if you've got a kitty cat or maybe even a dog like Scully that loves to scratch and chew on everything around them and maybe has had a couple accidents on the couch, then you're going to love this blanket that I got from ZAKAPAWS. First off, Scully loves it. It is so soft and fluffy and warm. I got the big one in gray because I wanted to be able to use it as a blanket myself when she wanted to sit and sleep on my lap. This is double layer and has a waterproof barrier in the middle. If you have a pet, then you know that's really nice to have. It's machine washable also, so really easy to clean. Scully loves this blanket. She curls up and sleeps on it all the time. And because I did get the larger one, I know that as she gets bigger, it's going to be able to accommodate whatever size she gets to. If you have a little or a big fur baby in your life, you're going to love this blanket as much as we have, and that's our point of view.